Welcome to HGNR Steno Classes. Dictation start. The question whether certificate of eligibility in terms of the resolution referred to above should continue to be issued by this department or whether any delegation can be made in this regard has been examined in the context of the present policy to maximize delegation and to reduce delay in appointment. Full stop. It has now been decided that the certificate of eligibility should in future be issued by the ministry itself, which is administratively concerned with the post where the candidate is likely to be appointed on the basis of the information referred in para 2 above being received from the authorities concerned. Paragraph. A form of the certificate to be issued is also includes full stop. In the case of appointment under the public sector undertakings, this department have already stopped issuing such certificates. Full stop. According to the instruction issued by the Ministry of Finance, it is for the respective public sector undertaking to issue the certificate of eligibility after completion of the formality of verification of character and antecedents of the candidate and keeping in view the procedure followed by the government in respect of government employees on the analogy of the orders issued by the Ministry of Finance in the case of public sector undertakings. There should be no objection to a similar procedure being adopted in the case of employees of autonomous bodies which are under the administrative control of the various ministries in the matter of issues of certificates of eligibility in the case of employees of the respective organization. Paragraph. To ensure that the appointment of candidate in respect of whom the certificates of eligibility is a prior requirement in terms of the government resolution referred to above is not delayed. Steps should be taken by the appointing authorities to ensure the completion of verification of character and antecedents within the time prescribed. In future, while making a reference to the district authorities, it should be specifically indicated that the nationality of the candidate is also to verified. Paragraph. I am therefore to request you to ensure that these instructions should be complied with and The government need not have to remind the departmental authorities on the subject again and again. Paragraph. These instruction and policy of the government may also be brought to the notice of subordinate officer for guidance. Para clause.